boys and girls. So this is one of the things I brought home from a recent vacation to Dubai, where I was fortunate to find a Mi store, which is for those of you who digs Xiaomi, however you want to pronounce it, sells their stuff in a brick and mortar store, which is kind of seldom on these parts. You can't find Mi stores in Europe, to the best of my knowledge. I of course took advantage of the fact that I was in a city with two Mi stores actually in Dubai, visited them both, and I did not know that they made kettles. So I drink tea, and those of you who are tea connoisseurs know that tea really thrives more at like an 80-degree temperature in water and not boiling water. So you can buy kettles that will allow you to set the temperature that you want it to be at. Those are in my neighborhood really expensive, and this only costs like 40 euros or around $50. So this is very cheap, almost the same price that you in Denmark would pay for a non-smart kettle. I of course had to fill this into my luggage and take me home. So this is a true Xiaomi product. It's in Chinese. So when you open the box here, you will find again, true to Xiaomi style, a Chinese manual. No word of English in here. There's pretty much but again, how difficult can it be? The plug, again, I bought this in Dubai, so I'm gonna need some sort of converter. Let's see what we got here. So what we got is your standard base station that has like this wire roll up, which is nice, and you have the kettle. The kettle supposedly, this is in, the cover it feels plastic, and this is of course stainless steel. It supposedly can accommodate like 1.5 liter of water. It feels nice and sturdy, and I like the look. It's I would say this is a very sleek Scandinavian look. Again, very true to Xiaomi's design style, which I dig. There are a button here to open it, and there are two buttons which I have like no idea yet what they are doing, because the print is in, again, Chinese. So I'm gonna have to find something out here. But this should connect over Bluetooth to my Mi Home app. So that's pretty much my next step here, to get this sucker powered up, and let's try and connect it.
Okay, the way you add it is the usual. You hit the plus sign, you find the correct category. This is a kitchen equipment, and we have it here under the smart kettle. Let's get that one. Now this is a Bluetooth device, so you need to have that turned on in order to find it. And then we need to press the button. For 3 seconds, sorry. There we go. That's it. We got it.
Okay, so the way you operate it is once you've had it set up, which I just showed you, you can select it from the widgets. Then connects, and then you can see that now it's saying that the kettle is at an idle temperature of 19 degrees. So I actually already poured water into it, and you can see it's just standing right here next to my Sonos S5, which is those are matching quite nice. So again, I really like the design. It fits in nicely into a kitchen like ours. In the app, you can select typical predefined, and you can define your own if you want. One thing you should pay attention to is that default the app will be set to this, which is cool down to the set temperature, whereas I usually am going with this, which is warm up to the set temperature. So the difference is
If when you go with the default, it boils the water to 100 degrees and then it goes back to the set temperature and then it keeps it warm from there. Whereas this, it heats up to the defined temperature and stops. So I'm guessing the first would be good if you are bacteria afraid and you really want to make sure that the water has been boiled before you use it. So just pay attention to those. So when I actually want to start heating the water to my predefined of let's just go back here. I am going for 80 degrees, right? There are really two buttons here. So the first one nearest to the kettle, if I push that, it will boil the water no matter what. If I push this, it will start heat the water to my defined temperature and then keep it warm from there. So let's take a look here. Yeah, you can see now the app says it's heating. This should take, I have like perhaps a liter of water in the kettle right now. So I'm guessing it should take around just a little over 2 minutes to reach 80 degrees. But we can just skip that part, just to say. So you can see now that we are closing to 80. And it's still saying heating, but it should stop just in a couple of seconds and just keep it doing. Yeah, so now it's switching to keep warm. And that's pretty much it. We should get an acoustic warning also from the kettle that it has reached the defined temperature. Let's just see if we can get that. There we go. Okay, so again, right now it's set to, you can see it's set to keep this temperature for up to 12 hours. If I just want it to sort of to turn off, you can see here I can just press this button again, and it now it's done. But if I push this button again, it will go back to keeping the water at an 80 degrees. So in my mind, this is a very typical Xiaomi product. Sleek looking, does the job, cost effective, not too many buttons or displays really. You have the typical Xiaomi problem of stuff being in Chinese, but you can find the English version of the manual on the internet. I can leave a link in the description field. But again, the manual is not really that helpful even in English, but there are really only two buttons that you need to learn and you'll quickly figure out which does what. And the app is pretty intuitive, so you shouldn't have a problem with this product. And again, I really like the price, I like the look of it, it fits nicely into my kitchen. And again, having a kettle that you can firmware update, I mean, what's not to like, really? So yeah, this is very much in my alley. Thumbs up from here. It doesn't get much better than this. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Hit subscribe if you want to follow my stuff. I'm going to be posting a lot of videos on some other Xiaomi products that I bought in Dubai. This is in no way endorsed by anyone, so everything I say is on my own dime. Leave a comment if you have any questions to this, or else have a great day.